Do you think XRP stock could be a winner among its peer group for investors? Because we believe so. And do you want to know why? Stay with us till the end to learn more. Hey students, welcome to Crypto Universe. In today's video, we'll be talking about the XRP partnerships that will cause the crypto to skyrocket. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let us dive right in. XRP is a cryptocurrency that excited enthusiasts from the beginning. It's the native coin for Ripple, an ambitious payment system aiming to replace SWIFT as the method banks use for international money transfers. Banks join RippleNet to operate cross-border payments in real time with end-to-end tracking and confidence. Ripple cites that it has partnered with more than 300 financial institutions for real-time, low-cost cross-border payments. Sometime during October 2019, Ripple made changes to the terminology of the products offered. Earlier, it used to provide three classes of services: xRapid, xCurrent, and VIA. xRapid was particularly of interest to cryptocurrency investors because it used XRP as an agent between payments. It now supports only one product, RippleNet, a network on which participants like banks and financial service firms used a standard platform to streamline trades, financial contracts, payments, and remittances. So, before we look at the list of partnerships of XRP, let us take a look at the current price of XRP, shall we? XRP price at the time of making this video on the 19th of August 2021, Thursday, is $1.24, with a 24-hour trading volume of $7,559,987,089. XRP price has increased by 9.7% in the last 24 hours. It has a flowing supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a total supply of 100 billion. If you are contemplating buying or selling XRP, B2BX is currently the most active exchange. Also, please know that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so it might have switched a whole new value by the time you watch this video. So now, let us look at the XRP price boom. The cryptocurrency XRP skyrocketed after announcing that Ripple Labs was joining forces with organizations from Japan and the Philippines, SBI Remit Co. Limited, and Coins.ph in the launch of on-demand liquidity (ODL) on 28 July Wednesday. As if from sleep, Ripple prices immediately surged. As reported by Bitcoin.com News, Ripple Labs' partnership with SBI Remit has successfully initiated Japan's first international money transfer service using crypto assets. SBI Remit is a line of organizations from SBI Fintech Solutions, one of the largest remittance companies in the country of Sakura, while Coins.ph is a well-known crypto exchange and mobile wallet system from the Philippines. Coins.ph is owned by BitTor Inc., regulated by the Philippine Central Bank, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP. Ripple had written on its official blog that this expanded partnership would allow SBI Remit to connect with Coins.ph and the digital asset exchange platform SBI VC Trade on RippleNet for faster and more affordable cross-border payments from Japan to the Philippines. The collaboration of the three prominent companies raised the price of XRP, which skyrocketed more than 16% on 28 July Wednesday. At that time, the cost of XRP was at the level of $0.63, which immediately rose to a price of $0.74 based on data from CoinMarketCap. In 2020, the flux of remittances from Japan to the Philippines had reached $1.8 billion. On the other hand, the flow of money from Japan to the Philippines cost quite a lot. In the future, Ripple Labs will advance more adoption of on-demand liquidity services based on RippleNet technology. Apart from being cheap and efficient, remittances can also arrive in real time. The launch of ODL in Japan is just the beginning, and we look forward to continuing to drive the next financial innovation beyond real-time payments not only in the Philippines but to other regions as well, said Remit's SBI Representative Director Nobuo Ando. This is a hopeful development for Ripple amid its battle with the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) at the court. Ripple itself explained that if the problem gets resolved, the company would immediately go public. Now, let us look at some of the other leading partnerships XRP has got. Bank of America. News of BOA testing Ripple's technology had been unshackled since 2016. Only lately the executives at the BOA approved the collaboration. Julie Harris, the head of global banking at Bank of America, BOA, informed the media, "Is about you as a client and the support you have and the ability to integrate. whether with platforms and skills that we built or partnerships that we have with the likes of Ripple or Swift. American Express and Santander. On the 16th of November 2017, Santander and American Express streamlined cross-border payments between the US and the UK. It was when the crypto bubble was still in the more initial stages. The decision was tremendous for its investors. The price surged up by 35% in the intraday trade on that day. Nonetheless, as the actual use of XRP was still unknown, it resulted in a pump and dump. MoneyGram. MoneyGram is one of the premier associates of Ripple, as it is one of the few payments firms that use the XRP liquidity pool. After the news of the partnership in June 2019, while XRP gained only 10 to 12% over the next few days, MoneyGram's stock price skyrocketed 160%, opening with a substantial bullish gap on a daily scale. National Bank of Fujairah PJSC, NBF. National Bank of Fujairah PJSC, NBF is a Sharia-compliant, partially state-owned bank in the UAE. In March 2020, it collaborated with Ripple to gain the benefits of RippleNet. The first payment link will be formed with India's IndusInd Bank to improve transaction speed, cost efficiency, and traceability. MoneyMatch. MoneyMatch, a Malaysian fintech company, renders the country's small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) a same-day, low-cost way to meet global suppliers. It is the leading payment or remittance solution provider in the country. It collaborated with Ripple back in April 2018 and lately reported a 40% reduction in operating costs. Standard Chartered Bank, SCB. For a long time, dating back to 2015, SCB has pointed interest in the proof-of-concept POC payment using Ripple's technology. It led to the world's first trade finance invoicing using the distributed ledger. In 2016, it made a strategic investment in Ripple to obtain an observer board seat at Ripple. Furthermore, it is also a part of the rulemaking committee and the Global Payments Steering Group (GPSG) at Ripple, drawing the conventional rules for global transactions and agreements. Gautam Jain, Global Head, Digitization and Client Access, recorded in the press release that our involvement in this group is only natural as a leading international bank committed to digitization. Westpac Institutional Bank and Bank of Australia. Australia's preeminent banks, Westpac and Bank of Australia, registered the network in August 2019 for streamlining global payments. Royal Bank of Canada. The Royal Bank of Canada has noted interest in the crypto markets for a long time, including stakes in cryptocurrency markets. In a report published in September 2018, the bank emphasizes that Ripple and the XRP ledger can decrease the transaction cost of banks by 46%. RBC is a leading diplomatic partner of Ripple as well. It is a part of the committee that helps make the customary laws for DLT-based banking transactions. UniCredit, Rice Bank, ATB, National Bank of Abu Dhabi, UBS, and two others. UniCredit is an Italian global banking and financial services (FS) firm. It collaborated with Ripple in June 2016 along with 6 other preeminent international banks to join the Ripple-based payments, which involve Santander. The joint press statement by Ripple in 2016 mentions other essential entities in the global financial sector, which includes Rice Bank, a German-based FS which trades in foreign currency dealing, precious metals, and travel payment business. UBS Group AG is a Swiss multinational investment bank and financial services firm that assists over 50 countries. Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, Alberta Treasury Branches, ATB Financial, National Bank of Abu Dhabi. MUFG Bank. MUFG's banking unit, the Bank of Tokyo Mitsubishi UFG, BTMU, is an indispensable partner for Ripple operating towards cross-border payments. It is also a member of the Global Payments Steering Group (GPSG), which outlines the laws and standards for Ripple-based charges. Hirofumi Aihara, General Manager, MUFG Digital Innovation Division, records in the press release, "We are pleased to join Ripple's Global Payments Steering Group. MUFG is working largely in fintech to render better assistance to our customers and society. Cooperating with other segments of GPSG, MUFG will commit to the creation of standards for Ripple's network." DBS. The DBS Bank of Singapore is accepting Ripple for trade finance along with SCB. According to an update from Ripple, the bank leads in the implementation of fintech reforms. For example, in India, DBS presents customers with almost a solely digital experience through its mobile-only bank, powered by artificial intelligence. The CEO of DBS Bank, Piyush Gupta, lately named Ripple the cheapest solution for making international payments. Now, on a final note, allow us to remind you all that the content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. All the financial decisions should be made after doing your research. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. It would be best if you did not treat any of the content as such. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. And with that, it's time to end the video. If you found this video inspiring and wish to see more content, then keep supporting us by subscribing to the channel and have that bell icon on. Let us know below in the comment section which company inspired you the most. And guys, don't forget to drop a like on this video. Well, see you all in the next video. Toodles!